Hey guys, this is C plus Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to open lots of folders inside of a folder very quickly. So let's get into it. Right here I've got this folder labeled important stuff. Let's open that up. Inside you'll see I have 5 subfolders. If we select them all, under the Home tab right up here, we can find the open option. Just give that a click and instantly all of them are opened up. This works even better if your first folder is restored because you can select them all, they open, and they all open in little folders so you can kind of see each one. So it's kind of a neat thing. And if you want to see all those options all the time instead of having to click on home every time, then just click this arrow here and it pins those options. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a like and subscribe. Till next time, peace.